got two homers here for breeding. Got them yesterday. This being my breeder here. They look really nice. This being my homer loft here, so this is for erasers. This is Tippler, and these are the homers I got new recently. And there's a fence here and a German owl. But I got two homers here. I'm breeding them too. I got them yesterday. I'm gonna keep them here for a week or something. And then I'm gonna put them with other birds in the other cage and hopefully breed. They look really nice. And this is one of the babies. It's a really nice bird, red. This is his parents' German owl, and this guy, I don't know what he is, but I'm guessing he's a tumbler. But they're mixed. They got mixed. He's mixed. They had 2 eggs. They hatched both of them, but the other baby died. I don't know why. He was like a 2-week, but he died. Yeah. Hopefully this will be full of a lot of birds. I'm hoping to put 40 birds, 32 birds in this loft. And it's like their fly-out pen. And it has a trap too. Yeah. I love these 12 a lot. They look really nice. They're still squeakers. Yeah. But they don't have bands on their leg. Alright, I'm out.